Good day, peeps! Megan, today is day 2 here in Cambodia. And look at the good view outside. A temple, I'm not sure, or a school, but it's a great view. I went out to the Japanese restaurant near here in Frangipani Hotel. I forgot the street name. I just noticed na wala pala silang toothbrush, toothpaste dito sa room, which is a bad sign. But they have strong Wi-Fi. Hindi ko pa na-check yung actual connection, but they have good Wi-Fi. I was able to connect seamlessly. Pero nung madaling araw, hindi nag-work. And TV, so small, pero okay lang. So nakatulog na ako at first. Then nagising ako like mga 2 o'clock in the morning to perform yung trabaho ko kasi nakatulugan ko siya. Then na-end up ko na ng 4 o'clock. Tulog ulit ako, then gising na ulit. Natapos ko naman yung work. And today is the training, so we will go out now. But first, let's check out the breakfast if I can still have time. Kasi alis na ako ng 7, 6:47 na pala. Shoot. So maybe no breakfast, but sneezy peasy na lang. Let's check it out. The shower contains hot and cold. Good thing. Bad times at the El Royal. Gusto ko yan. Pansin ko mabaga elevator nila. So a lot of people are using the stairs. I might use the stairs. Baga. My room. 705. Kakapagod morning exercise. After nung OBL ko, ang sakit ng tuhod, ng binti ko. Up to now, in downhill. Check out the vlog on that one. Magulo sila sa background. May mga field trip yata mga students kaya lalo nga puno. So good thing I was here early. Pero time to go. It's time for me to go ahead. It's already 7. I'm late. See ya. Okay. Okay, yeah, please do. I tried to use the vault and now all my stuff are inside. I cannot open it. Ang hirap na instruction. The instructions is way too weird. So at the first all lock done is numbered initial code 1 asterisk 1 2 3 4 sharp. Make sure that inside door is locked. I did that. Push out latches as if the lock is closed. It's locked. So I enter asterisk 1 2 3 number. How? And that's it. Press the memory button at the back side of the door in order to change your new personal code, 12-digit max. Enter new personal code, asterisk personal code 12, and will give rights. And I cannot find, because I cannot move this, I cannot find the switch button at the back. So next time, test nyo muna ako mag-work. Ayan. Time consuming. Very time consuming. The bad side about this, they don't have toothbrush. Ano ba yan? Buti na lang, I have one that I took from Singapore Airlines. Thank you very much, Singapore Airlines. You saved my life. Hirap kasi na instruction. Di maintindihan. Anyway. So they have their reset key. I think I'm not going to use the vault because they can reset it. I'm gonna put my stuff here. Yeah, may I ask if the driver is there called Matt, named Matt? If it's from IRRI, then let me know. Thank you. Very nice. Waiting for the driver. Hope he's there. Oh, hello. Yes. He's already there? Okay, thank you. He's there. I have to go. Jacket, you are a witness if this is missing, huh? I'm gonna leave because it's so hot. No drone shot opportunity yet, but I asked around the guys from IRRI. They told me there might be an opportunity on the open field. Currently in the city, especially those who are... Mark, did I left something? Double check. Squeaky clean. Okay. For the training. Let's go. MAP?
MAB.
B.
Yeah, map.
So your B sounds like P.
Yeah, map.
Okay, mab. So how about you say Phnom Penh, Phnom Penh, not Phnom Penh, Phnom Penh.
Phnom Penh.
Phnom Penh. Okay. Is this a temple right here?
Pagoda.
Pagoda.
Yes.
Oh.
The public.
Oh.
Yes.
So anyone can go inside.
Everyone can go to
Oh.
pray.
Pray. Okay.
Yeah.
Tourists can also go.
Yes.
Okay. Worst traffic in the
Oh, it's more than
more heavier in the Philippines. We have a 15-kilometer stretch of highway that it will take you 3 hours to go. This one, I think it's still okay. You're still moving. So we're continuing the training. It's a half day already. So far so good. They were able to understand, but they speak in their own language. So I'm just there for technical assistance in case they need to change something. So far, so good. And the way I eat earlier, meron silang parang sabaw na may isda. Pero ang difference is may pineapple, so may gulay. Masarap naman. So manamis din siya na medyo may konting yung sa radish. Yun ang aking lagi napapansin sa kanila. They always like to put the radish on their soup, which is masarap naman and very cheap. Anyway, off to continuation of the training. Time check 6:11. We just finished the training. Empty with dragon fruits and anong tawag dito? Lanzones at saka ito, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito. Ito sinat, but this is so it's nice fruit. Sinat, what do you call this kind of fruit?
Longans.
Oh, okay.
Oh, this is my tea.
They have the guava, bayabas. Yun ang sausawan nila. Yan. They also have nice coffee. And you can put ice if you like ice. Iced tea. Tomorrow, field day. I will end this in day 2. And I still have of work to do after this. Then tomorrow is the field pre-test in Kampong Tom province. Bye-bye. That's Matt, the driver. Ready left, so here is Franji. And the kids are still here. See that? So crowded. So many people. Now it's silent again. So I'll just check the rooftop on the 11th floor and see the sky deck with the pool. 11th floor. As usual, elevator is very slow here. Maybe I use the stairs. So check ko yung rooftop ng Frangipani Hotel. So I'm on the 8th floor, 9th floor, 11th floor siya. Napansin ko lang dito sa Cambodia, marami ring motorsiklo. So, yung sa atin, big deal na yung mga singit-singit. Dito, uso rin pala yun. Pero hindi nag-iinit ang mga ulo nila pag kami mga sumisira. Nagbibigayan pa rin sila. Walang busina or anything, walang nagagalit. Hindi tulad sa India, puro sila busina. So dito wala. Tahimik lang. May bigayan pa rin. Pero yung mga singitan, kung sa Pilipinas yan, ako, nagkasuntukan na yan, nagkainitan na. So okay. Ito na yung sky bar. 11th floor. Sky bar. But another stair. Sky bar, sky lounge. Wala silang gym but they have the sky lounge. What? No people. Tahimik. Which is good. Okay, maybe I can ask the management if I can use my drone here to fly. There's a spa. There's a healing spa. And that's the bar right there. Where you can also eat dinner. Not much people, huh? They have a great view of the city line here. So ma'am, our driver told me that they also accept US dollars because of the UN. When they came here, I think the US had the base here, 1990s. So that's why dollar currency is very well known and accepted here in Cambodia. I'm dark. So now I know makes Cambodia look like Kansas. If you don't know what that is, punta ka sa Predator, panoodin mo. Doon nyo makikita yun. Eto yun.
Makes Cambodia look like Kansas.
It's now 10:30 in the evening after taking a short shower and eating outside. I'm so tired, I'm already sleepy, my eyes, and I still have to wake early in the morning. So I'll end this day 2 of the Cambodia trip training of enumerators. And I have to wake up early in the morning, 6 o'clock. We will leave at 6 o'clock. And there are still some errors coming out of my work. And I'm already tired. So, I'll end the vlog here. Good night. See you, people! Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the upper left and on the lower right. Peace.